welcome to my channel all about ice cream. My name is Amanda and today I am making a really fun dessert. If you haven't checked out one of my last videos, I have become obsessed with ice dyeing. This is one of my newest creations. I think it's awesome. This weekend is Memorial Day. It's also mine and Julian's 4-year wedding anniversary. So to celebrate, we went and we picked some fresh berries from Underwood Farms in Somos, California. We've done it before, I'll link that video below. With the blueberries we picked, I'm making blueberry shortcake ice cream bars with fresh whipped cream and a blueberry sauce. My eyes watering, the cat's annoying. People are stomping upstairs. Stop! I already moved it a little bit more. It's fine. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Follow my Instagram account for weekly updates on my next flavor or all the fun things that I'm doing. Let's get started. Oh my God. So good. Do the shortcake, ice cream, the whipped cream. Yeah. So you got the ice cream and the shortcake? Mm-hmm.
and a blueberry.
Okay, good.
There it goes. Wow. Yeah, this is really good.
You say, I've never made shortcake. Do you like?
The cake is really good too. Yeah, it's like a thick cake. I like it. There you go.
Oh.
It's really good.
That is really good. Yeah, it's really blueberry because of the sauce and the ice cream. The cake's good. It held up in the freezer. Thought it'd be more frozen. The cake's really good. We're gonna eat all of this. The ice cream is definitely still my favorite part.
Yeah.
I like that the most. Yeah, I'm glad we made a whole cake because this is so good. Hope you enjoyed the video.